Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'll discuss about a company Brightcom Group Limited (BCG). So this company performance over the past 1 year is unbelievable. People see the price market price has increased from 5 6 rupees to 170 rupees, and approximately it was trading around 200. Few days back it again down to 170. Now today again it increased 5%, because the company announced a bonus share of 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 means those who are watching new, or are new to investment, I'm just saying for them, 2 is to 3 bonus share means if you are holding 3 shares you will get 2 free shares, right? So the company has announced that, and in December quarter the performance is so interesting, so exciting performance the company has given. The profit has increased from 800 crore to 2100 crore, means more than doubled within a year. If you say the sales, the profit also has doubled, 138 crore to approximately 370 crore. So profit and sales both has doubled within a year, and price the share price has increased from 5 6 rupees to 172 within a year, means approximately 3000%. What is the meaning of 3000% again? If 100 rupees is increased to become 200 rupees, then it is 100% again. So here you can think of your 100 rupees becoming 3000, then you are getting basically approximately 3000% gain. uh, this means if you are having um, your 30 times, that means your 1000 rupees if you have invested in Brightcom group, it would have been 30,000 within a year, right? So this type of small cap, they keep on increasing and multiplying your money sometimes. So a small portion of your money, if you think some company is good, you can, if you can see that this company has potential for the growth and it is trading around very small price, let's say 5 6 rupees or 10 rupees or whatever maybe, then you can invest some of your money, not all, because these are very risky. You don't know when they will sell to other company, or you don't know when they will become, means they will be bankrupted, and the company will be under the bankruptcy law. So never invest in such a risky company, or because always you will be in tension. A few amount you can keep in this company. So that's what I also have very few numbers in this Brightcom group when it was 2025 like that. Now of course it is 172. A few of the share in between, I think when it was 180 something, I have also sold it. And now it again announced the your bonus. I'm planning, let's see if I will buy some. The So the profit and the both sales has increased, but the concern is that the promoter holding is very less, approximately 22%. And the good news is that FII, the foreign institutional investor, has increased its share in December quarter. They have increased, so it's a good sign. But the promoter holding is very less. Most of the shares are held by the public. So public holding, if it is more in a company, it's not a good sign. When you analyze a company, you should keep in mind that, because if the promoter, that means who are running the business, if they are having less share, they will lose interest from the company. They won't work dedicatedly from the for the company. It may happen. So means you get this type of news or this type of shares in you might have heard in cryptocurrency and all, but you can see this type of share also exist in your share market, also stock market. So you can search these potential shares who are available at cheap price and who has ability to grow. If you can find, then it's really, it will multiply your portfolio very fast. Also, Brightcom Group also has paid the dividend. Also, it's very small, but still it has paid 0.05 paisa, right, per share this year, and also last year also it paid the dividend. And so you can see this is also in the sector of computer and software sector this company works. So during the pandemic, one sector that has consistently given the a good result, that is the software and the computer related companies, because huge demand over the online, maybe education, maybe your healthcare, everywhere the or automation of the company, the computer is of huge demand and the softwares are of huge demand. So almost all the software company, they have given excellent result, even if the pandemic continues, right. You can say the pandemic has given or boosted their performance. uh, Other sector which are struggling, manufacturing industry and other industry who are struggling to come back, but you can see the software sector or the IT sector is constantly increasing and rapidly increasing, and as BCG is one of them, is tremendously have given the result and returns to the, means, unbelievable results to its investors. Now it is very high price now, so don't think of investing BCG, right. If you can invest very few amount, if of course it's you can invest, but it's not looking good because promoter holding is very less and it is now 172 is very high. The market cap has reached around 17,000 crore. So uh, we can't say what will happen, but you should look, keep on looking this type of stocks who are available at cheap price, so that you can find out such stocks and you can invest in such stocks, right. It is not advisable to invest in BCG at this price in a huge amount. If small amount, you can take some risk, or you can discuss with your financial advisor, or you can analyze yourself also how much risk you can take. According to your capability, you can take the risk. Now the question is, the market is going down, so many people are thinking that what to do now. Today also Nifty is in red and it's constantly going down, so people are thinking that is it a craze, like your corona time in March 2020. Suddenly the market was down around 30, 40, 50%. So now is it again coming, means it's going down, so so it may be a small correction, or maybe it will correct further. It will make some correction and it may further go down. So we shouldn't bother about that. As an investor, as a relaxed investor, I'll say, because if you are trading, or if you are thinking that you will earn huge amount of money from trading, or you are a very smart trader, then this video is not for you. This video is for the dividend lover, the relaxed investor, you can say. So we don't bother about the market ups and downs. And as you are watching the video, I think you shouldn't also bother about the market ups and downs. If market is going down, and if you are thinking that my money, what will happen to my money, then you shouldn't invest in, or you shouldn't be in our category. Whatever market will go down or go up, you should be relaxed. You should do the work you love. You should earn money from the other sources. You shouldn't think that from share market I'll earn lots of money by trading, by selling. So you it's very difficult, right? Sometimes you'll earn, sometimes you'll lose. That's what happened many of my friends, even some of are very smart traders. But yes, if you are very smart, there are lots of examples that people have earned lots of money in also trading. So that's up to you, but this video is not for them. This video is for relaxed categories and the persons who want to take a dividend bonus and sit relax, or to invest some small amount in Brightcom like company and enjoy the money keep growing on see multiplying means seeing your money that how it is multiplying compounding, right? So we should enjoy that, we shouldn't bother. Suppose what is your target price of BCG? If you have bought in 6 rupees, so when it will reach 12, when it will reach 18, when it will reach 30, 40, you will definitely sell if you are a short term investor. But if you are a long term investor, yes, it's growing fine, and I have kept a very small amount, let it be. Wherever it's going, it's going. I don't bother. I will just look at its results. Yes, it's the company is doing profit, the sales increasing. Let so after each quarter you have to check the company you have invested so that it will be good for you. And when this type of crash is coming, you should also keep some of your money so that you can invest in some good company like us. Good company maybe very potentially good like TCS, Reliance. If they are going down, Titan, if they are going down, then also you can think of investing little bit money in this law, right? Or also if you are a dividend lover, so you can also invest some of the company who are going down. Suppose sale is going down, it's 96, 97, so it pays continuous dividend. And in other companies also, if they are paying good amount of dividend, so when they are at low we can invest. So market is going down, that doesn't mean that company is in loss. Share market is different for beginner. I am those who are watching, and beginner means investing in share market. I'm saying for you that share market going down does not mean that companies are at loss. Company will pay dividend, company will pay bonus, company operations are as usual. The price is going down or up, it depends upon the sell and buy, the surplus. Suppose in the market lots of potatoes are there, suddenly rain continues for a few days, so the potatoes will start means your so with the farmers, they won't want that the potatoes should get wasted, so they will sell in a very cheap price, right? So that the market there will be surplus in potato, but there no one who are to buy the potato, so that time the price will go down, right? So it is nothing with the company profit or loss. Or so when the price is down, that means there are lots of surplus, or there are lots of people who are selling, or maybe due to different region. So what you can do, you decide what are the stocks you love, right? So what you will do that time, you can buy some of the stocks at cheap price, and you can hold it for longer. Suddenly it can go up also, if you wish you can sell some of them. Or if it is a very good dividend paying company, you can hold it, right? Suppose you have bought a company, let's say Indian Oil, at 70 rupees. Now it is at, let's say, 130 rupees, 120 rupees. Suppose at 120 rupees it will pay now 7 rupees, 8 rupees dividend. And but you have bought it in 60 rupees, so you got for means you are getting double. That means 7 into 2, 14 rupees, that means you are getting, right? So like that, your if you have bought any share at a very cheap price, so you will get the dividend amount whatever. Suppose 7% the company is giving, that means you will get the extra, means not extra, you are getting that amount of dividend at a very small price, right? So if you're getting 10-15% dividend from a company, then it's very good, and it's excellent, we can say, without doing anything. the money will come directly to your bank account, it will be credited. It's very interesting. NTCP is going to pay dividend, and many other company going to pay dividend like KPIT, Gensar, right? Many other company going to pay dividend. So keep them in your watch list. And if some good dividend paying company you are finding, keep on investing. And Hinduja Global recently we received the dividend, and also your Power Grid also deposited the dividend a few days back, right? So these are very good dividend paying company. See you tomorrow with another topic. Bye bye. Take care.